Alright, this is a video on using wcdatool by Phonic to disassemble Whiplash and then set up remote debugging with Open Watcom on Windows 10. wcdatool is a special disassembler designed specifically for applications made with the old Watcom compiler. It knows the Watcom method preamble and how to apply debug symbols, which, luckily for us, were not stripped from the Whiplash executable. After disassembly, we will have their entire file structure and all the function names. For starters, I'm using a blank WSL Ubuntu install, and I'm just going to go through the steps listed here on GitHub until we have the complete disassembly. First, we need to update it to make sure we have everything. Alright, there we go. Then we need to make sure we have Python and objdump. wdump, I believe, will get installed when we build Open Watcom on Linux. So, to do this maybe. Alright. And objdump I think we already have. Let's check. Yes, okay, we already have that. Let's see. And we need to make sure we have GCC and G++. And then G++. We need to make sure we have DOSBox as well. Alright, next up, let's get wcdatool's repository. Then we'll run through these helpful scripts that have been included. Let's see. There we go. Get clone. Alright. Download. And build. Oh, we failed. Let's see, what did we, do we not have, alright, looks like we don't have CMake. Let's try build again. That looks more like it. Alright. Building Open Watcom will take some time, so I'll skip to when it's complete. Alright, once that's finally done, we install. Oh, we gotta put the dir in there. Oh, we gotta do it with a sudo. Alright, there we are. Finally, we can process our game. Fatal.exe from the UK release is included in the repo. So all we have to do, scripts, process single executable fatal.exe. There we go. Whiplash is disassembled. To debug, you first need the game itself, Open Watcom for Windows, com0com, which creates a pretend serial port, and DOSBox 0.74-3. I don't know all the compatible versions, but I had some issues getting com0com to work with the latest DOSBox stages, and 0.74 I know for sure works. Next, what you want to do is copy, let's see, next what you want to do is copy fatal.exe split DOS4G payload.exe, which is generated by wcdatool, the directory you can find by going whack whack WSL $. into your Whiplash directory, and then rename it something easy like fatal2.exe. This is Whiplash without DOS4GW. It's been stripped out of it. And then you need to copy in DOS4GW as well by itself. And then you need to get from your Watcom directory surserv and rsi.trp and rsihelp.exe. Copy all of that into your Whiplash directory. Next, open up com0coms, set up PG application and take note of the port numbers that it has created. Then you need to go to your DOSBox config file, scroll down to the serial port section, and change serial 1 to direct serial real port COM5, where COM5 matches the number on the right side of com0com. In Open Watcom, you create a project, go to Options, Remote Debug Switches, and in Local Trap File, put ser:4 fatal2.exe, or whatever you named the executable, and then pick Exists on Target. And then press OK. Next, you want to open up DOSBox. Set it up so Whiplash will run with the CD mounted and everything. I have the config file set to do this automatically. We navigate to our Whiplash directory, and then for whatever reason you have to run setup.exe first and configure the sound before anything will work, so go through that. Select sound device, auto detect, use device, don't do sound test, use device, don't do sound test. Alright, exit, yes, save. Alright, then enter surserv /trap equals RSI to start the remote debugging session. Next, in Open Watcom, click the remote debug. And if everything is set up correctly, the debugger should launch. Wait for it to load. Click go. And congratulations, you are now debugging Whiplash.